Let's set the record straight on MULN Automotive stock. MULN Automotive stock fell 58% last month to a low of $2.40 out of 146 automotive industry stocks. MULN Automotive ranks in the bottom 10%. MULN Automotive stock is down below $1, meaning that MULN is the lowest that it's ever been. Investors Observer gives MULN Automotive a technical rating of 28, which means that 70% of stocks are better than MULN Automotive, according to Investors Observer. But traders aren't looking for MULN Automotive as a long-term high-quality stock. They're looking for a short squeeze, and we'll go over the likelihood of that happening and some reasons why it may not ever happen. My name is Coach Koda. I've coached hundreds of traders to make over $1 million in profit over the past 2 years, and I'm here to help you make as much money as possible in the stock market. If you like videos that help you make money, make sure to hit the like button because it helps a lot of other traders who don't know how to trade get the education and resources that they need in order to make money in the stock market. MULN Automotive is a stock done for good. It's all the way down to 93 cents today. MULN went from $8 to 93 cents. This EV manufacturer has a $163.93 million market cap. We warned you about the MULN dump on December 2nd of 2022, back when MULN was $8. MULN has done nothing but go down from there. It's officially down about 85% at 93 cents today. Will MULN Automotive go back up, and will MULN Automotive short squeeze? These are the two questions which I know you want the answers to, so let's answer them with this short illustration. There's a trader named Aksarbin who lost about $1,000 in a stock called TRKA. Maybe you've heard of it. MULN Automotive is very similar to TRKA. He had about $5,000 in his trading account, and his trading account went to $3,700, which is way less than it used to be. He's now documenting his journey after he joined the Pro Discord, and he's making about $200 a day consistently. You can see here his trading account is $3,991, and today he just posted his trading account, which is at $4,126.85. I show you this because of two reasons. First, you have to realize that if you trade high quality stocks, like the stocks that we give you in the Pro Discord, you can join by clicking the link in the description, then you can recover your trading losses. The second is that it's better to cut losses on a losing trade quickly rather than hold on and average down. Last year on December 22nd, we told traders not to buy MULN Automotive stock. This is not financial advice, but we were warning traders not to touch MULN Automotive with a 10-foot pole because it had no fundamental catalyst and was technically of poor taste. MULN went from $8 when we called the stock a bad stock all the way down to 93 cents, meaning that we saved traders about 85% in trading losses if they refused to buy MULN after watching my video. We were trading Bloom Energy today. The stock went from $14.20 from where we called it out on the Discord to a high of $15.04 at 10:14 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is an example of a high quality trade. We buy a high quality stock and sell the high quality stock once it raises in value. As your trading coach, I need you to promise me that you'll only trade high quality stocks from now on. If you lost money on MULN, if you lost money on Hub C or GTII or any of these other low quality stocks that all of the other YouTubes talk about because they're paid off, then I need you to promise me that you will stop trading low quality stocks. Stop trading stocks that lose you money and instead focus on high quality plays. Congrats to Mr. 305, a pro member who made $2,100 profit, although technically it's a sad day because he wanted to make even more money, which he has in the past trading in the pro group. What I need from you is to click the link in the description if you are serious about making money in the stock market. Why? Because I only want you as a student if I can help you make money. If you do not make money in my Discord, then I will give you all of your money back. In fact, I won't even charge you to begin with. If you click the link in the description and apply for a pro trial, I will help you make money up front, give you $200 of value in training, and if you don't make money, then you're not going to pay a dime. If you're serious about trading in the stock market, there's no better way to start making money right away. All right, here we go. We got ABCL, which is another stock which I'm watching. I'm not going to give you all of the fine details because the fine details are in the Discord, but we are watching ABCL. Here is the MULN trading chart, and as we promised, the stock is currently at sub $1 at 93 cents. MULN stock is looking terrible, but it can get worse. And the reason why I say that is because from a technical perspective, MULN has had numerous small spikes in the recent trading past. Check out this day on May 17th, when MULN stock rallied from $1.21 to $1.49. This rally, which was quickly squashed by short selling traders, shows that there are many short sellers willing to push the price of MULN lower. Additionally, the $1 level is now going to serve as a barrier for MULN, which will prevent the price of MULN from pushing higher. All of these taken into account show that MULN is not a great stock to buy at the moment. MULN can develop later, and anything can happen in the world of short squeezes. However, do not expect MULN to go to its glory days. MULN was at $42.75 just last year. MULN being at 93 cents right now would have to go more than 4,200% for it to reach its previous highs, and the likelihood of that happening is fairly low. We have a lot of selling volume on MULN, and MULN is expected to go lower in the near future. However, we can roll out a small squeeze on MULN to a few key levels, namely $1.80 and $2.80. I don't expect MULN to go higher than $4 anytime soon. Therefore, I highly recommend anyone who buys MULN to kiss the money goodbye. That's right, only put gambling money into MULN stock. I am going to help you out with one stock which I'm taking a look at in the near future, and that stock is ABCL. Now, ABCL currently sits at about $6.50. Let's keep an eye on ABCL stock and see what happens. I help traders make money in the stock market. If you're ready to make money in the stock market, then I highly recommend you click the link in the description, and I can help you make money in the stock market, and you don't have to pay a dime. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to a pro membership form. You fill out the information in the pro membership trial form, and if I accept you into the group, then you'll be able to trade high quality stocks with me and my team, and I will personally ensure your success in the stock market. It's a $200 value, which you don't have to pay for. You don't have to pay a dime if you don't see the quality and the value in my training mentorship program. But I know that if you try it out and if you make some money, then you'll see that there's no better way to trade stocks than what I have here on the Rocket Day Trading channel. You guys have an amazing rest of your day. Keep making money in the stock market. Stay away from bad stocks, and I'll see you guys next time.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?